What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Quick though, before we start, I don't know if y'all can hear me because this storage unit is playing music loud as hell, and I'm so fucking man. But yeah, they playing this music so loud, so this might be the last clip y'all see in here for a while. Yeah, I gotta find somewhere else to film, but I'm about to pack a few artists real quick, and I'm gonna show y'all, get back with y'all. Be right back. All right, these are all the sales right now. Got this WWE Hulk Hogan, this military belt. It is broken on the buckle. Got this pearless crawfish polo. This is a Farrah blazer, Farrah Western wear, some shit like that. And these are Bulwark flame resistant work pants. These two are a bundle on Depot. All right, I got my items. Music loud as hell, but I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip. What's up, everybody? It's a new day, and I was just gonna show y'all some of the new items that I've been picking up over the last few days, and I have a lot more on the way. I'll just dump this on the ground. 1 second. All right, these are just a few of the pickups that I've been getting over the past few days. Like this vest, the American feel. This one's like 1940s and 50s, and you know that by the I forgot what the birds were on the inside, like pheasants and waterfowl, and that stopped in like the 50s. Yeah, and then they just start putting all the, basic prints and plain plaid patterns or whatever. Got this Game Winner right here, Game Winner sportswear. That one's like 1980s. What's this? This is like another 1940s, 50s vest. Basic 1990s BDU, you know what I'm saying? This one is, I forgot the brand. Oh, Realtree. Just a Realtree, hardwoods, little full fit. And these, too clean. These are chemical protective pants, 1990. Too clean. Yeah, these are just a few items I got over the past few days. But my favorite, oh, can't forget about this one. This is the Belgian, tag faded, Belgian M60, M65. I think it's the M60, Belgian M60. And all of these items will be available on my Etsy and Depot. You can hit that link in the description or in my bio. You know what I'm saying? I do accept offers. I literally just almost forgot though. Like this vest, 1940s, 50s. I got this from a Depop seller, and oh my god. It's bird feathers, blood. I'm gonna just put a picture so y'all can see it better. Alright, we just made it back to the storage unit. I got a lot more to do, as you can see. I still haven't got done putting all my stuff in plastic, and yeah, just look at all this. So I'm not even about to waste time. I'm about to go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna check back in with y'all. But yeah, I might get a little time lapse on shit, know what I'm saying? But gotta go. I'm really trying to get this done because I got more racks on the way. I have huge bundles on the way, and none of this is organized. So yeah, I'm gonna check back in with y'all in a little bit. All right, I'm almost done with the black tees. I just got this little stack left. I mean, is that like 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5 more black tees? And then, I don't know, might start on these gray and white ones for sure, for sure. I wanna go ahead and finish this whole rack. All those camo pants gotta come off, and those are gonna go on my rack that's on the way. This is all tees right here. All tees, all outerwear, then jeans, and then it's just gonna keep repeating itself. Let's keep it going though. Okay, all the black tees are done. These are just random colors up here. And the black, that shit looks so clean. And now I'm about to work my way to all these gray, white ones. Pants completely going off the shelf. Outerwear. And that's all the little kid stuff up there I gotta organize. I'm probably not gonna get to that today. Whew, it's hot as hell in here. But comment down below how you guys organize your inventory. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started on these gray, white, forehead looking huge. God damn. And it's just something I just want to say, like, but why do the chicks, you know, the chick resellers, why do they care so much about us guys and stuff and how we price our items? And I don't know, everything's just so weird. It's like a one-sided beef or some shit with all the dudes, like, oh, why y'all niggas not in the army or some shit, bitch. My bad. But nigga, why don't you go join the army? I feel like they think they can't go join the fucking, I don't know, she just weird. But it's a one-sided beef with these chicks. They hate that we run it up off clothes. I just don't get it. So that means every time us dudes go into thrift stores and we see little chicks on our side looking at men's clothing, bitch, get the fuck type shit. I know that shit random as hell. It's just weird, you know, every time I get on Instagram, it's some shit about a dude. Y'all must can't get no niggas or something. I don't know what the fuck going on. Because the dudes are not worried about them. Fuck all that shit, though. Tina Turner, 1990s. Hey, you're talking about the sub dudes, 1990s with the back hit. Sheesh. Both available on Etsy and Depop. Link in the description. And I got some big bundles on the way. I got some camo pieces. I got some more military like blazer jackets. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Check those links. And I don't know what else I'm gonna film after this little piece or whatever, but yeah, I'm just trying to get this video 10 minutes, know what I'm saying? Yay! I know this was a short video, but I'm about to go ahead and get up out of here. Make sure you guys hit those links in my description if you see anything you liked. I know I barely showed anything, but everything is available on my Etsy and Depop, which is linked in the description. But it's getting hot as hell up in here, so I'm about to go ahead and dip up out this thing. But make sure y'all hit that like, comment, and subscribe. Ring that bell for future videos. Yeah, and like I said before, I got huge military bundles on the way. So yeah, everything's gonna be available on my Etsy and Depop. I am gonna make videos about those. So yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned. Get you on the next one. Yeah, bye, baby. Yeah.